It's Mother's Day gifts to put a smile on Mom's face. Mother's Day is on its way. Can you believe it? We know that money may be tight right now and that finding the perfect gift for Mom could be tricky with various lockdown regulations still in place. So, we've put together a handy DIY gift guide for Mother's Day 2020. Get out your craft gear and let's get busy making some awesome prezzies for the most special person in our lives. Breakfast in bed. Brekkie in bed is a classic Mother's Day gift almost anyone can pull off. Treat Mom to an array of her favorite morning time treats, whether it be bacon and eggs, fluffy flapjacks or a bowl of fresh fruit drizzled with honey. Don't forget the coffee or tea either. And, make sure to clean up after yourself in the kitchen. Home spa day. Seeing as Mom won't be allowed to visit her favorite nail salon or beauty parlor for the foreseeable future, you may want to treat her to an at-home spa day this Mother's Day. Get out that old foot spa and pamper Mom from top to toe. You can join in on the fun, too, by making a few DIY face masks out of kitchen staples. If you don't have the time to treat Mom yourself, make her a gift she can use to pamper herself. We like the idea of homemade bath salts or rejuvenating body scrub. It's a lot easier than you might think, so get busy before the big day rolls around. Picture frame. What do moms love more than pictures of their children? Not much. But, don't just stick any old photograph in the frame. Recreate old family photos this Mother's Day with your siblings or dad. Dress up in similar clothing and try to reposition yourself to create a then and now type photo shoot. Not only will you be giving Mom a good laugh and a chance to reminiscence, but it's a fun challenge to keep you entertained while under lockdown. Finish things off by placing your new photographs in a handmade frame. All you will need are a few stencils, some acrylic paint and lots of creativity.